Having a reliable and honest company to trust when you need a home repair is key these days. And I wanted to introduce you to Dan Billingsley. He's the president of Heatwave Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. And you know, he's strived for all these great comments that you have on your website and everything. Thank you for joining us, Dan.
Thanks for having me.
You know, I know that you take this into heart. You know, you value what people say about your company, but it goes beyond that. Tell me about your experience so far.
So I've been doing air conditioning for 23 years. I've owned my company since 2009. I wouldn't be around today. We strive for 5-star service and 100% customer satisfaction. From the time our call center answers the phone, which is open 7 days a week, we don't use an outside service.
Oh, good.
And we have technicians on call 7 days a week between plumbing and air conditioning. From the time they answer the phone to the time our technician arrives at your door, and we also do post-call after the fact just to double check everything. When exactly is what it's thinking, because our goal at the end of the day is 5-star service.
And this is exactly what your customers are saying on different websites and stuff like that, because they do value all the work that you've had with your employees, and you obviously want more training, more people to join your business and stuff like that. Talk to me about the importance of keeping your line of work in our community.
So everybody knows there's a big labor shortage. So what we do is we bring in new people into the trade. We train them just like I was trained 20 some years ago from scratch. We have, between online training platforms, we have our own training room at our office. And then, between ride-along certifications, etc. So we can bring people in the trade, and it's a great trade to be in, and they can make a good living and do it for a long time.
And you are hands-on training these guys, right?
Yeah.
I mean, this is what you value the most. You get to go out there and tell them, this is how I want my customers to feel.
Yeah, it's very important to me because at the end of the day, my name is on every single job.
Okay, perfect. And I know you have a deal for our viewers at the Morning Blend, specifically for people that are looking to get all their units inspected and everything. Tell me about that.
So the deal is a 58-point AC tune-up and inspection, which you should be doing every 6 months. But now that your air conditioner's been running hard all summer, it's time to get it done. With the 58-point AC tune-up inspection, we're also going to inspect all the ductwork in the attic and make sure everything is working as it should, and inspect the indoor air quality in your home and give you a full report when we're done. And it's only $49. Normally we charge $89.
Okay, and even the air quality, that's a big deal these days, huh? I know you get that, possibly a lot of calls for that.
A lot.
Oh, wow. So there you have it. Of course, the offer for our Morning Blend viewers. And you can also learn more visiting their website. It's on your screen. It's heatwave8vac.com. Thank you so much, Dan, for that information. And of course, you can call them right there, the number on your screen.